Hello, my name is Teacher Jay, and today we're going to do your speaking test. But first, can you introduce yourself? Tell me your name, your age, where do you live, and what do you do during your free time?
My name is Messi. I
15.
years old. I play soccer, play badminton.
During my free time. Okay? Now here is the musical instruments. This one is a drums.
Drum, piano, guitar, violin,
Violin. Recorder.
so
Trumpet.
trumpet,
Flute.
flute, saxophone,
Musical genres. This one is
pop, hip hop,
classical.
classical,
Reggae.
rock,
Heavy metal.
heavy metal.
Can you play a musical instrument? Yes, I can. No, I can't.
No, I can't.
What's your favorite type of music?
No,
My favorite
my favorite
Type
type
of music is
hip hop.
hip hop. Now here are physical descriptions. Can you describe Olivia?
Olivia is soft and very slim. She has long
Blonde.
blonde hair and blue
Eyes.
eyes. She has
Braces.
braces. She
Young.
she about 15.
Which one do you think here is Olivia? Number
Number 4.
Okay, number 4 is Olivia. Now here, important events of your life. Can you tell me about the important events of your life? I'm just going to read. I was born in. Born
born
in
and
Hanoi, Bình Minh.
Bình Thanh Hoa, Hà Nội.
In what year?
In
2011.
2011.
Are you sure 11?
So 11.
I learned
I had to ride a
bicycle
bicycle when I
was
six
6 years old. I started
school when I went 12.
no elementary.
11.
No 6.
6.
I started
I started
junior high
when I was 11.
Were you at school yesterday? Yes, I was. No, I wasn't.
Yeah.
Yes, I
That I
was.
yeah I was.
Did you do your homework last night?
No.
I didn't.
No, I didn't.
What did you do last weekend? I sleep
sleep.
or I play.
Sleep.
I sleep
Sleep.
and
And
play soccer.
play soccer. Play badminton.
Okay. How about the weather? What's this?
Sunny.
Cloudy.
Cloudy.
Rainy.
Rainy. Windy.
Foggy.
Foggy. Snowy.
about yesterday? It was rain.
raining.
It was
What?
raining.
Raining.
Movie types: action movie,
After movie.
horror
Movie.
movie,
Love movie.
love
Love
story,
story movie.
mu- musical,
Musical. Actor.
cartoon,
Cartoon.
fantasy,
Fantasy.
comedy,
Comedy.
sci-fi.
Sci-fi.
Now here, can you tell me about the last time you went to the movies? Here, the last time I went to the movies was
What?
what? Last month. I went with my family, friends,
Family, friend, brother.
brother. Okay. We watched. What did you watch? Doraemon. It was a cartoon. It was a cartoon movie. The movie started at
PE
6 p.m.
PM
and
7 PM and
it ended.
7 PM.
The movie was good or
Good.
do you like it?
Would be like
Do you like it? Yes or no?
yeah.
Thank you, Messi. How many